everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Hotstar account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.hotstar.com. After you come across this official page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Then click on Login option. If you had used your Facebook or email account while creating an account, then click on Have a Facebook or email account option. Or if you had used your number, then type your number. In my case, I had used my phone number, so I'll enter my phone number. Then tap on Continue button. Then in the next page, you'll have to enter your password and fill in the information that is required in order to log in. And that is how you can log into Hotstar account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.